Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
digital camera accessories.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Randall Roof here. Today is Saturday, May 28th, 2023 AD. And I've got an accessory which I hope is going to work with my camera. It gave a list of different cameras that it's supposed to work with, and my camera wasn't on that list. So I'm hoping it still works with it though, because just because it's not on the list doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's just okay. So we've got some generic batteries. And we got the unit itself. Okay, we got alright, the user's manual, which okay, so we've got this cord. We've got this is the one I think will not work with my camera, unless that goes into the plug. It might work. I don't know. I'll have to find out here. But here's the unit itself, which looks very nice. Very, very nice. Very shiny. Very ticky. Ticky. I like tech. Okay. So I've got the two AAA batteries. Take my little handy knife here. Careful with these little. Alright, here's one. Of course, you get the plastic off. I will say they wrapped them up in their sticky too. They wrapped them up pretty good. Okay, so the batteries are in the back here. Just slide it off. And let's see, negatives. So we've got. Oh, can we set the time? Oh, this is cool! Oh my gosh, I love this already. Okay, lock. Oh, this is so cool! You can, instead of having like a 5-second counter or a 3-second, you can set how long. That is, so in other words, if you want to, like do a family portrait, like my camera only has, you can only wait for it. It has a timer on it, but it's like one set thing. This you can set to however long you want. So if you want to, instead of waiting 5 seconds, you want to set it for, 30 seconds from now, it'll take a picture. Oh, this is too cool. A little lighter. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, let's go set. Okay, you can even. Oh my gosh, you can set hours, minutes, and seconds. That is cool. And you got, look at this. You got hours, minutes, and seconds. You got up and down, left and right. Got the little start button. So over here's the start button. I'll have to figure out what the lock button does. Check that out. You even got backlit. 3. So if you got your camera set to take maybe a group of people and you want to be in the picture, set it, go around, be in the picture. You can set your timer. If you want to do like, you got something you want to, you got on the desk and you want to do a time lapse, or you want to do whatever you need a timer for. This is nice. Now, so we've got this cable, which goes into some cameras. And this is going to be the one, I think. Okay, so they've got two cables, and I think this is the one that will work with my camera. I'm pretty sure that one's not going to work with me, because that's a little different. So that's a different kind of camera. So it really depends on what kind of camera you have. It might work. I'll have to check, but this, all you gotta do is plug it into your camera and plug. Check this out. Boom. And if you push the button, it's backlit. Oh, it's so cool. Well, it seems like it's more. Well, okay, it's top lit. It's not really backlit. There's lights at the top here, but that's cool. And then when you're not using it, it powers off automatically. I like this. This is really cool. So, thumbs up. I'm gonna sit here and play with the camera here a little bit. But, that's nice. I mean, it's very simple what it does, but it does it very well. And it looks good and it feels good. And it looks modern. So that's everything I want in a timer. Other than the fact that, seeing as the camera doesn't have this much technology as far as the timer built into the camera, this is a nice accessory. So, thumbs up. So, until next time, I'm Randall M. Roof saying thanks for watching. Have a good day.